Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And we once more welcome all of you to our Eucharistic celebration this morning, this 15th day of December, the third Sunday of Advent. And you know very well that every third Sunday of Advent, we celebrate and call this day Gaudete Sunday, a day of joy, because what we prepare for, whom we prepare for and wait for, is already fast approaching. 10 araw na lamang po ay Pasko na. Handa na po ba kayo sa Pasko? Nakabalot na ho ba ang pangregalo ninyo? Nakasobre na ho ba yung mga pang-aginaldo ninyo? Handa na po ba ang mga tiyan ninyo sa mga kakainin sa Pasko? We've already lit the third candle in our Advent wreath. You see how we have changed, at least for today, our vestments from violet to old rose. In a way, our atmosphere here in the cathedral is at least giving us the feel of joy and excitement because Jesus is near. Christmas is near. Sanay po tayo na ang kagalakan o ang kasiyahan ay laging ipinapakita. We express joy maybe by smiling. We express joy by any positive mood that we can all do, by any action that will really show that we are happy, that we are joyful, that we are expressing positiveness in this life. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, with the readings that we have and what we are celebrating as we are still celebrating Advent season, let us reflect how joy is not only expressed or felt, but how joy is also given and shared. The prophet Zephaniah in our first reading was so bold enough to share joyful and consoling thoughts to the people of Zion. The prophet said, "Shout for joy, sing joyfully, be glad, Jerusalem. The Lord has removed His judgment from you. The Lord is in your midst." Kung papaanong naging mabuti ang Diyos sa pagbibigay ng mga samot-saring grasya niya, He is also prepared to give and extend joy to all of us. In our second reading from the letter of Paul to the Philippians, he reminded us to rejoice always in the Lord. Ibinibigay niya muli ang mga kaligayahan na ito dahil malapit na ang Panginoon. Binabahagi niya ang saya dahil madaming dalang blessings ang Panginoon. Once more, joy that is shared and given. But today, my dear brothers and sisters, we were not able to hear anything through the words of Jesus. Bida po sa ating ebanghelyo si San Juan Bautista. And how did John the Baptist heeded to this call of sharing joy or of expressing joy? The crowds asked John the Baptist, "What shall we do then after being baptized?" And John answered them practically and simply, "Whoever has 2 cloaks should share to the one who has none, to stop collecting what is not prescribed, not to practice extortions and false accusations," etc. and etc. When we are honest, gracious, and compassionate over small things, to over things that we have been doing every day. We do not only express or feel joy, but most of all, we share and give joy. Last Friday, I was with the altar servers of the Our Lady of the Miraculous Medal inside the National Center for Mental Health. Dahil nasa Mandaluyong naman po ako at na-assign naman po ako sa Mandaluyong sa isa sa mga parokya doon some 3 years ago, nagsabi po ako sa ilang mga church volunteers that I was within the area. And I invited them for dinner. 7 of them came and joined me for dinner. You know, this youth, these young men and women who joined me for dinner were either parish servants, some of them are still studying, some are still working, some are serving as catechists of the parish. Hindi naman po ganoong ka-stable ang mga sweldo ng mga batang ito. But as we were eating dinner, biglang nag-play ng happy birthday song yung restaurant. Kuya, pwede po bang paki-flash po ang picture na ito? Bigla po nag-play ng happy birthday song ang restaurant, and they surprised me with this delicious cake. Simple lang po yan. Pero naalala po nila kung ano yung paborito ko. Kung ano po yung, kailan po yung birthday ko na malapit-lapit na. Alam niyo po, nahiya po ako ng onte sa aking sarili. Dahil sabi ko nga po, may binubuno itong mga batang ito. And they still afford to buy this simple cake for me. They were faces for me, not only to feel joy, but also to share and give joy. Iba po yung saya sa akin nung gabing iyon. Ang haba po nung Biyernes na iyon. 1 oras po mahigit yung biyahe ko noon mula dito hanggang Mandaluyong. Nakakayamot na po yung traffic. But this simple surprise came as a blessing to me. My dear brothers and sisters, as Christmas is just maybe 2 weeks away, as we are asked to be joyful today, please do remember that joy is not only expressed or felt, it is meant to be shared. Who we are, what we have, all that we have, the little that we have, anuman po ang mayroon ang mga kamay natin. Yaman man yan, bagay man yan na pinag-ipunan natin, bagay o pera na talagang mahalaga sa atin, presensya natin, tenga natin, oras natin, sarili natin, that those things will be joy for people. Do not only feel joy, share this joy that many longs for. Sabi nga po ni Catherine Bernardo, joy is here. And as joy is here, be ready to share this joy to whomever you meet today.